Oh, good morning. You got kicked from the Discord? I have no idea. Let me invite you back in. Were you on there's a bug if you're a VIP and you cancel. It like kicks you from the Discord instead of just removing you from the rule. I messaged LaunchPass about it already, but that might be why. Just Cam. Yeah, LaunchPass is supposed to just remove your VIP role, but it's been kicking people. No, why would I be mad, bro? I'm only mad when I blow my accounts. Yeah, I'm one of those people you'll meet where they say like, I've never seen him mad, you know? I feel like I don't really get angry. That's not one of the emotions I struggle with. But yeah, I think it's just a LaunchPass bug, man. Good morning, Jake. Let's not blow anything today. Yes. Oh, please, let's not blow anything today. Yeah, I don't know. LaunchPass has to fix that because I messaged them and they said that's not how it's supposed to be. Alrighty. We have a few minutes before the market opens. We just had non-farm, so that shot up. Dang, that shot us up 200 points. That's insane. Oh man. I thought CPI was gonna be the only thing. I should have full parties of Apex accounts today. Alright. Trading view. Oh boy. Today's gonna be a hard market, guys. Let me make these I think I like it better top right. Let's save this as Asia low. Alright guys, I think today is going to be pretty difficult to trade. Probably go for, I don't know, we've already had, so my thoughts are that we've already had our expansion, right? So we're gonna get our chop. Like we could get price action like this, right? Because we just had this. So we could expect this, which is gonna be really difficult to trade. Also with that said, CPI is in 2 days. Market's always choppy before CPI. So yeah, honestly that's just kind of my thoughts on today's price action. I think we're gonna get chop, but we'll see. Let's see what we get. The market dump? I don't know. I'm expecting chop here. I think I want to say price action is bullish, right? So we're gonna, like, I'm expecting this sort of price action today. Where we chop around and we get a push up. Swap this. Let's see, are we at any key levels? Let's see if we're at any key levels. I think this is a key level here. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna mark it out on this low. It's this low that has a ton of touches. It has a lot of touches going backwards as well. But we'll mark this one out. Oh yeah, we touched it like to the T. Our MAs are looking good. We are above value, so we'll see. I don't know if we'll rotate through or if we'll just continue to hold. We could be bullish all day today. I think it's possible. But usually after expansion, you're gonna get chopped, so let's hope that, like right now, we are, so if you look at PA like from, when is this? February 6th, like let's hope that this is this, you know, so we can get this. Otherwise, if we're here, then we're just gonna get chopped, right? Honestly, even this is fine if we're here. You get some sort of retrace. Either way, like we're not here, right? So the likelihood that we go from here to here is lower. Like the chance that we just do this is a lot higher. Care to share my beautiful screen? Yeah, my bad. I keep on forgetting to share this on Discord. My bad, Jake. Did anyone YOLO NFP news? No, but I would have. I was getting some other stuff ready. I wasn't able to, but I definitely would have wanted to like full port some Apex evals or something. Can I not do all these at once? Do I have to hold control? No, I just can't. Alright, a few minutes to market open. Good morning, Levi. Alrighty guys, let's get some likes on the stream. Let's start it early so we can try to get the giveaway done earlier. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Try something like that. Alrighty guys, market's gonna open in just a few minutes. Retrace the level before NFP? Possibly. I think if we want anything tested, I want Asia high tested. Move these back a little bit. What are we looking like on the hourly? Yeah, I think the fact that the hourly candle could not close above this high here. So usually when the candle is able to close above, you get shallower retraces. But if you're unable to close above, but you know, at least still take the high, you'll get deeper retraces, right? It just means there's less buyers, right? We're less confident in holding the level. So I want to come down to Asia high here, test this and go up. I think that'd be ideal. But we gotta see what we get. All right, well, market open, seeing a little dump. I'm not confident this long. Or right at the 10-day moving average. Yeah, it's rejection off the 10. Let's see if we can hold though. See what we get. ES looks a bit more bullish today. Nice. I just realized I'm on NQ. I'm not on micros here. Shoot. Sorry, I think we have some buffer. Let's see if we can just trade one micro today, or one mini. What's here? 26. I want to say this is short. What points are we? Testing some of these bases. Good. Good. I'm trying to join in on this. I'm gonna get tapped into a short here. I want to see if we can get down to Asia high. Watch this on the 30. Nice, that's a good move. Let's go. I'm dropping this break even. I'm gonna start trailing this. We just wipe this low. I think we're going lower. Shit, I don't want to give back too much. Nice, perfect. Yeah, I was pretty confident we go lower. I'm gonna lock in 500, but I want to give this a little space for this to move down to Asia high. Ideally we close below this low, but we're kind of rejecting off of it. Let's see. Nice. Now that was really good. Honestly, we could see 311, guys. I'm just gonna lock in 500. If this wants to retrace on me, we'll just take 5. But I want to see this at least touch Asia high. Oh, okay, never mind. Retraced. It could still go down from here, but let's be safe than sorry. Nice. Let's go, guys. I still like short here. Deep retrace. Hold on, I need to switch over to micros. Damn, that's not gonna work. Alright, hold on, guys. I gotta set up my chart again. But yeah, if you guys are still in the short, I think the short's still valid. I actually still really like this short, but I got wicked out of it, unfortunately. Okay, we're right at Asia high. Dang, bro, that feels bad. Getting swiped out of that one. Oh well. Profit's profit. Good trades, guys. Let's go. Good start to the day. I'm trying to see how some of these candles close. If we close pretty bearish within value, I think 311 is definitely a target at VWAP. And then 236 to 227 would be another target, which is 200 points. That is looking weak. It's gonna let us in. I want to get back in. Oh my god. I just entered. Oh, that's positions. I just entered 5 minis. Oops. Alright. Sorry, lost $100 on that oopsie. Oh crap, this stop is actually a lot wider than I thought. Get it down. Perfect. $320 now. I'm not looking for anything insane here. I want to see how we react on VWAP. It's going to start to get a little more volatile as we get down there, so. As soon as this makes a move down, I want to move my stop. Yeah, never mind, stopped out. Yeah, the volatility was like bound to kick in, so. Unfortunately, I think that was the wick to get in on. All right, let's not chase it. I think this is going down to 311. Wait, what is VWAP at? Whatever VWAP's at, it's kind of hard to see. 316 now. I don't think this is bullish at all, but we are at market open, so I think it's valid to be a little cautious. 5-minute closed. We closed bearish. I think we can actually get in on this. I'm gonna put 200 on. $318. Whatever VWAP's at. Okay. Feels bad. Alright, that was my last attempt at that short. It's getting a little too volatile for me. It's too choppy here. Let me, I gotta edit something on my copy trader. There we go. The copy trader wasn't running. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. I don't remember what we were at. Yeah, 50-point pullbacks, a little wide, or a little too volatile for me. I still really like this bearish. I'm not bullish on the market at all right now. I think I just gotta be a little more patient with my entries, I guess. It's not like a sell-off, like follow-through market on these levels like this, right? We're getting this, like value areas right here. So we're retesting everything. So I think if we come down here, we're gonna retest and then come down. All right, moment of truth. Do we break out of value here? No breakout out of value. You gotta be careful though. If we are bullish, remember this is where we would be bullish, right? On the hourly, how we talked about, like before our session started, we talked about this. We could be seeing that, but if we are seeing that, I want to see more build up here. Like, I don't think it's that. If we break this level, I'll consider long. But I want to see this come down a little bit more. Maybe like double bottom, you know, set up divergence, something like that. But I think if we just straight up break this level, it might be worth considering the long. Yeah, we're like unable to break above it, right? Ooh, we are trying so hard. Draw value. Value is still like this right now. Maybe the developing POC to show it too. Never mind. Oops. Okay. You might be starting to break. what a squeeze. We're squeezing shorts so badly right now. Right off that base. Alright, it's definitely a choppy market. I think when you're respecting those bases really heavily like that, you're gonna be in a choppy market. Let's go, Paldi. Dang, that would have been a nice trade if I took that. Dang. That was a nice setup too. I should have taken that. Let's go, Paldi. Click some profits on longs right after CPI. My selling hands for the rest of the day. Yeah, honestly, good call, Qatari. Yeah, you absolutely should if you're in the green today. I think today is not going to be the best market. Probably gonna take it pretty light on my account and then probably move to like evals later. So yeah. Protect your accounts today. This is not a clean market. This is what we expected, right? We were kind of talking about it coming into this. You get expansion, you're gonna get chop. I think the same deal. I don't know how long we're gonna be here, but I definitely am bullish on the macro. Yeah, this was looking really bearish. I think this initial move down, I was really expecting this, just because of how weak it looked, but it just yoinked us 100 points. It was 100, right? Like 96 points. So yeah, it's just choppy right now. I have honestly no idea where this market's going, but in the long run, I want to see this go up. This looks bullish on the hourly. But we also have this like expanding wedge, right? We have like this expanding wedge, so I mean, like you could see this. But yeah, like I said, hourly looks up. Might have to just give this a little more time. If we can probably clear some of these levels up here, then we can definitely see a lot of these levels taken. But yeah, as of right now, I don't know. It looks bearish to me, but macro looks bullish. I'll take a short if we flip VWAP. But if we don't flip VWAP, I think we can just see us bouncing off of it, set a new high or set a new low. Be careful with your trades today, guys. I think this is clear indication that it could yoink on you right here. So. Yo, good morning, Moonshine. What's up, man? We did get our orb. Let me mark out the orb. All right. ES right at VWAP. Oh, breaking. Let's see. Breaking, bouncing? Breaking or bouncing? Breaking or bouncing? 40-point stop. That is wide. Dang, this is extreme chop, yeah. But luckily, we were able to identify it even before the market began. This is good. As long as we, so step one, identify what kind of market you're trading in. And then step two, apply the edge that really corresponds to the market. Oh, there's a drop. Yeah, we just flushed the VWAP there. Other side of value. I don't trust it, man. I think I kind of want to short this. I'm gonna get in. $253 is down here. Probably take profits at Asia low. I think you could see a little lower depending on where value is. The value is probably going to move up a little bit, so this is probably not a bad target on Asia low. And watch this on the 15. Yeah, this is starting to keel over a little bit. I'm break even. I think this could yoink, so I'm trailing. I don't want to choke this trade out though. Let's see. There it is. Honestly, I don't think I even need to trail this. If it starts to come back up, I'll lock this in at like 200 profit. Assuming it moves down first. I don't want to move it down to 200 yet. Ooh, ES just hit a support point at 970, 980. Come on. All right, let's lock in 100. All right, stopped out. I think this could go still to Asia low, but I don't want this yoinking on me. I'm just gonna lock it at 100. All right, our entry wasn't the greatest. I think if we got up here, then I probably wouldn't have moved it down so far. But our entry wasn't too good, so. On top of that, ES just hit support. But yeah, honestly, I was kind of bullish on the market. I don't think I am bullish on the market anymore. Not anymore. We're below VWAP, so if anything, I'm gonna start to fish out some shorts. And if we enter short and we end up breaking price, sorry, not price. What am I trying to say? If we fish out a short and we start breaking value and we start going into price discovery, I'm gonna probably look to just hold down to, honestly, let's see, if we're bearish, it's like 64 is like viable. 64, 127, one of those levels. But we'll see. I'm actually shorting that. Right off the orb. That's right off a base too. I'm not putting much at risk here, but if this starts moving, I'm gonna add more to this. Let's go. I'm break even. Let's go. Let's see if we can eat Asia low here. Pass another combine, let's go, dude. Rocket now? Moonshine, my I don't know. I mean, everyone has their own strategy, but I definitely think like trying to like predict like a move up, you know what I mean? I think it'll bite you more than it will help you. That's just my opinion. I mean, I think if your whole strategy is around like bottom fishing and top fishing, then you can definitely, you know, hit those bangers. But I don't know. In my opinion, I think when the market is like clearly moving down, you should just be fishing shorts, and if the market's moving up, you can just be fishing longs. I think you just stay more consistent that way, in my opinion. But I don't know. I know some traders who can really fish out those like top tick and bottom tick those longs and shorts. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not trying to tell you how to trade, but I'm just saying. I'm gonna move my stop down to that high, and we'll see if we can eat this. Yeah, rocket now? No, please. Dude, let me hit my TP first, please, bro. Oh shoot, not what I meant to do. Let's go, guys. Huge dub. Bro, just take it. Bro, you're getting anxious for me, man? No, I appreciate it. Thank you. No, I agree. If you're that close, I think it's valid to just take it, but bro, it's not satisfying, man. It's gotta like touch the stop loss, you know what I mean? I mean, take profit. Awesome. Honestly, I thought the day was gonna be a little choppier, but those are some good moves. But like I said, these pullbacks are deep. We just had a lot of confluence for shorting this area. This area was like it was orb, it was VWAP, it was what's it called? It was this base as well, which is the orb. It was also really close to Asia. Was it Asia high? There's a lot of confidence in this area for a short, so. We're nearing value area low. Value area low is right here. It's like this. ES is at value area low. Like on ES, this is value area low. It's just wicking on value area low. So I'd be a little careful for shorts here. But if we start getting accepted past this, then like that's when you just want to like go short, and then you can just walk away from your computer or phone or whatever. Yeah, look at that 4-hour wick. It's looking dumpy now. They kept your XFA away for weeks. I have to make back all the gains today. Nice. Good stuff, Jumbo. Yeah, dude, they took my XFA away for like 1 day. But I sent them my YouTube channel. Like, it's like, bro, you said I hedged on this day, and I obviously didn't hedge. You know. No, I know, actually. Topstep's like, they're tweaking out, man. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but Topstep's definitely right now, like their target audiences are newer traders, right? People who are just getting into it, are gonna just blow a ton of evals, right? And they're kind of cracking down on profitable traders. Wow, this is really bearish. We're outside of value. I think it's risky here. I think shorts are valid here. If this pulled up a little bit more, I would have wanted to enter. But we also have a key level right at 225, which is not too far away. But yeah, we're in price discovery, guys. Like this could run a lot today. I'm gonna give this a little time. We just had another expansion, so maybe we get some sort of price action like this. Maybe we get a head and shoulders. Dude, that looks a little sus actually, but maybe we get something here. I don't know if we just go straight down. That's possible. Yeah, that was a huge dub. Good stuff, Jungo. $2,000 on your XFA. Let's go, dude. That's what I like to see. Let's see, 791. Found it. All right. Now the boring part of trading is waiting. want to keep trading today, but I want to secure my first payout. What do I do? I mean, if you see your edge, trade it, man. Just control your risk. Like, if you control your risk and trade your edge, like, you're gonna make money, right? That's what trading is. Like, don't be scared if you see your setup come up. I will say, if you're on like day 4 or day 5 and you just need 200 for the payout, I would just take the 200 and then switch accounts. So I think that's different. Like, don't risk your payouts if you have it secured. So, but with that said, if your edge is showing, you know, there's no reason not to trade it. Dang, guys, what a dump. It's not what I was expecting today, to be honest. 300 points down. I was really expecting this, like this, and then move up. But luckily we flipped our buys and we ate a nice little short. God dang, this is running. How many points down are we? 80 points from that low. I just ripped through that key level. Alright, we got another key level here at 143. Is that this low? It's like right below this low. So let's watch out here. This is also London low, right? Alright, we ripped London low. ES is at its 5 and 10 day moving average. So ate a little bounce off of that. I'm buying in. I'm going for a scalp here. Nothing too heavy. We just broke structure, right? This is our V-shaped recovery, broke structure. This is usually pretty bullish. I'm looking to just take it off the next high, but this is starting to look pretty weak. I might stop up. I don't want to lose more than 100 on this. All right, stopped out. Yeah, if this falls over, this is so bearish. Like, when you have V-shape distribution, right? The shallower the pullback, the deeper like you're gonna go. I'm actually gonna short this. We'll go the other way. Hold on, I don't have any levels marked down here. I hope this doesn't yoink on me. Got a low here. Honestly, I think this is valid. Oh shit. I'm just gonna mark out the midpoint here. I can't manage my trade. I didn't mark out any levels down here. Damn, I think we're in chop. I want to get out of this. I'm gonna see if I just get out break even, guys. I'm out. I don't like it. I think we're starting to chop. I'm just gonna get out of this. I'm just gonna wait. We're getting a little too close to key levels. I didn't mark out anything below this before I entered this. But we're just like, I entered like the trade like here, right? It's like 30 points to this midpoint. It's just like, it's not enough. Like the closer you get to your targets, right? The more you're gonna chop around. And you finally hit your target and then you move up. I think we're there, especially with how I trade with really tight stops. My edge is pretty diminished here. So I'm just gonna stay out of this and we'll see if I can fish something a little stronger. But I don't know, just looking at the charts, like if anything, I'd still be short. Like this market is just showing no signs of recovery right now. Let's see, 143, oh that's where we're at. This is a support point, so if we start to break 143, I might consider getting into a short after we have some structure. So if we start doing this, right, like something like this, I'll look to get into a short. But we just had a 300 point move, right? That's like 330 point move. Like we're gonna get some chop here. So I'd rather wait it out, find a better entry in. We'll take it from there. And I think I'm still fishing shorts. I think if this shot up right now to like here, I short it up here. Oh yeah, right off. That's London though, right? Right off London though. Oh no, wait, this is London though. But yeah, hope you guys are doing good today too. It's not a bad trading day. After yesterday's price action, bro, this is money right now. Yeah, the best chop detector in the industry. I'll make that my title on Instagram, the chop detector. Let's see. I picked up my funded futures evals. I picked up 3 evals right before this. They're up like 670 today. My top step's up 780 today. I took a trade over Asia last night. Yo, my chop detector failed, bro. It was a dump. Yeah, it's not worth it for me to try to enter this. Not when we just like swept London low, where we were like 143. Or did I say 143 or 123? Yeah, 143 up here was a key level as well. And it saw a little rejection, right, off that key level. But bulls are not willing to protect it, so. But yeah, this is another V shape. If you come back up here, you can maybe see this. But yeah, guys, honestly, if you want to make money in this market, you just short it. Like, you just can't go wrong shorting, honestly. Look at this. ES just blew past his 10 and 20 day moving average. Like, where are we going? I actually don't know where we're going right now. Hold on, let's look at this on a higher time frame. I need to see where we're going. What the heck? We filled this gap. We talked about that yesterday actually, that we might come down and fill this gap. We literally just filled it. Dang. This could be last point of supply, guys. We might be dumping. Like, if this is... Wait, hold up. Hold up. Let me bring out our actual chart. We might be at last point of supply, guys. I thought it was gonna be up here. But you could actually have multiple last points of supply in a Wyckoff distribution. So this could have been here, right? And come up, last point of supply again. We're gonna come down, hit this base. Like, we could be in that bear market right now. This actually makes a lot of sense since we broke all these lows. And then you have V-shaped distribution on the macro, right? This is V-shaped distribution. Come up to fill the daily gap. This is our key level. Reject off the key level. We could be going all the way down. Sorry, you guys can't see this on Discord, but I will post it for you guys in the chat. So yeah, man, I think honestly our distribution analysis on the macro is looking spot on. Dang, I should get hired onto a hedge fund, guys. Hit the like button, guys. Yes. Hit the like button, guys. Smash the like button for me. We have 18 likes. We just hit so many bangers today. Up 900 on the XFA. It's like low risk too. We're only risking like $100, $200. So we have like almost like, I would say like 6 to 9 R today. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I love trading Bitcoin. I really want to trade some Bitcoin a little bit more. Oh yeah, how bearish is that? Love it. I'd short this right now. This looks really good. How many points per tick is it on a micro? I've never traded micro Bitcoin before, so. Yeah, let's get some likes, guys. 150 likes today. We started a little early today, so we might be able to get there. 150 likes, we'll give away a Lucid account, maybe multiple Lucid accounts. We'll see. 50K flex. All you gotta do is like and follow the stream. Hello, economy. Are you okay? Economy is not looking okay. It's definitely not okay, man. I have a lot of qualified friends who are struggling to find jobs too, so that's how you know, man. Not in a good place. Alrighty. 21 likes. Alright, let's get it to at least 50 in the next like 30 minutes, guys. We can do it. Free counts. Unless you guys don't want free counts, I don't know what else I could do for you. Free counts, free trades. All I'm asking is for a little like and a follow. Let's see. 148. Where's 148? Oh, that's London low. How many points are we from London low? 50 points? Nope. When in doubt, just short it, man. This market. All right, let's see what the magic conch is saying. Change to NQ. Magic conch says long. When did this update? It just updated too. Oh yeah, it longed it here, right at the end, and it already hit TP. That was the trade. Do I need to do a series on this? I want to see if AI can outtrade me. Take a quick look at gold. Let's see. Yeah, looks short. I would not be wanting to long this. I mean, I'll tell you that much. Kind of at the bottom range though. Definitely got something like this going on, right? But we couldn't clear that high, so you could get something like this, right? Or something like this and a kill over. But either way, I'd be looking for shorts. Like shorts on this level. Shorts on this level. Yeah, on top of that, P is rounding out. We just swept highs. I think there's a lot of confidence for shorts on gold. For sure. Like, I personally wouldn't want to be buying this. Anyway, gold is a hedge, right? When your hedge falls 20%, you know, you lose a lot of trust in it, so. I out-traded it on Monday, yeah. The algo was telling me like long or short, and I was just, it was not long or short. I was so sure it was not long or short, so I stuck to my system. Ended up panning out. All right, getting a little recovery here. Let's see, what does this look like on the hourly? Okay, perfect. I think we're gonna struggle here. We can see a lot more upside if we clear London high before the hourly closes. And the hourly closes in 25 minutes. We have a lot of time. How many likes are we at? 22 likes, guys. Let's get some more likes. Wake up. You need to get me some likes. Guys, like it for the puppy. Hey, say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the stream. Guys, like it for him. Like it for Toto. Alright, go back to bed. He's like, bro, why did you do that? Alright, let's see how many likes Toto got us. 5 likes, let's go. Good job. Good job, buddy. What's the puppy's name? His name is... Hold on. 1 second, guys. I just heard something crash. Alright, I'm back. My wife dropped something. It wants to hold this. We're probably gonna chop around London. Is this London low? It's London low, right? Yeah, probably chop around London low for a little bit. Never mind. Just hard reject off London low. Wow. It's already a 50-point move off London low. I might start to build out a position here, guys. Okay, maybe not. I want to push back up. 31 points. Yeah, never mind. That was looking like a really good rejection. Yeah, I think my first assumption might be right, or we might just chop around London low for the next like 20 minutes. It's gonna want to close above it if it wants to be bullish. If it wants to stay bearish, it's gonna close below. We're also like right at value. Like value area looks like this right now, right? So probably might get this. But in no way am I bullish right now. If we started getting accepted back into value, like if we close above this on the hourly, London, right? And then, I don't know, we would start building supply within value like this. I might consider it for the long. But right now, it's just definitely a stay out of the market angle. Alright, how many accounts are we at? We're at a good amount of accounts now. Ooh, that's looking great, guys. If you guys ran along, this is looking good to hold. We just blasted into value. I think if I was in a long, I'd probably hold it to like 225. Is that up here? Oh, is that it? What is that? Oh yeah. That's also a key level. So I'd probably hold it to around 225. Probably trimming it before. But we are definitely in value right now. And we're looking good. I might try to go for a scalp here. Let's see if we can eat this. We're just in 3 micros. There's a good amount of strength in the market, so I feel pretty comfortable taking this. Let's see, are we at any key levels? No, we didn't even wipe this high. Unless this high is protected, right? I want to just continue down from here. But I like it. Let's see if we can get it. Ooh, nope. Okay, we're back out of value. Now we're back in value. It's choppy here. Never mind. I probably should have stayed out of that. Unlucky. Yeah, it looked pretty strong. It looked like a pretty strong push up to this key level, and honestly, if we blasted through that key level, I could see VWAP being tapped as well. So yeah, I still don't think it's bad. It just, I think my entry was bad. I'm probably not going to try again on that long. I want to fish a short, if anything, so. What does Algo say? It's a tough spot. I think Algo said long. Yeah, it said long. I mean, it hasn't updated since the last 15. I have it updating on the 15. You can have it update on the 3. But I think it's a little less accurate when you're updating on the 3. Alright. I like that. I'm gonna join short on this. Let's see if we can get this. This is rejection off of value. Oh man, that's some strength. I don't like that. Yeah, buyers are in control. I probably get stopped out of this. Alright, I'm just gonna flatten it before I lose any more. Oh, right at the 50 on the 1 too. I don't know, that looked good for a short. That was my trigger. We broke structure on like a key level. We weren't able to break into value. Like this was value like this, and we just broke structure on it. So that's what I was expecting. But buyers are in control right now. Probably see this push higher, possibly to VWAP. If we push to VWAP, that'd be around like 270. So I think that's valid. But there's a lot of levels that we had to break to get there, especially 225, this level here. So time to chill out. Trying to catch these moves, it's just not working, so probably better for me to just wait. Ooh, maybe that is it. Nice sweep with that high. Alright, I'm gonna try this one, guys. Same thing, but I'm gonna put a lower risk on it. Like 120 on it. If this starts to actually move, I'll just add more to it. I don't know if we make it down here. I think realistically we could probably take that. And buyer's still in play. That's testing the 15-minute or 15-second base. I think I move my stop down here. If this doesn't hold, I think we're gonna go up. We literally have $40 on this trade. Super low risk. I'm pretty confident if my stop gets taken here, this is gonna continue chugging up, so. I think this is fine. This is like a 20-hour trade right now, so take it. Yeah, good stuff, Yopi. I'll draw this out, see if we can hit it. I'm gonna get more in, guys. I'm starting to like this. I want to just break this. Nice. Nice. Good movement. I'm break even on it. Let's go, guys. All right, we can't lose this. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. If not, we're gonna eat on this. So let's go. Take off 3 here. So we're getting close to that hourly close. I think the hourly is going to still... Oh, that almost took me out. Wow. I was gonna say, I think it's going to go back and forth on London low. Wow, that was close. Well, it gives me a little more confidence. I think this high might be protected now. Ah, stopped out. Unlucky, man. I think this could still go lower, but it's not worth it. Trying to fish it out again. Yeah, the hourly is trying really hard to close bullish. That's a 60-point yoink right there. Unfortunate. Oh, we didn't lose anything on it, so it's whatever. Risk management's the name of the game, guys. Dang, we really want to test this, don't we? Ooh, what a push. Oh shoot, this rocketed. Alright, we're really close to VWAP, guys. Dang, really good moves today. I was not expecting this. One second, guys. All right, that's VWAP. Let me turn on VWAP on the chart. Let me get back to the screen. Gotta calculate VWAP. Yeah, we're right on VWAP. I hate how we have to calculate it every time, man. So annoying. Alright, the hourly closes in 4 minutes, and this hourly is actually only like 30 points from closing bullish. That's absolutely insane, man. Holy. The wick, it has like a 200 point wick right now. Dude, what's going on? What is happening? This looks kind of weak. Manipulation. Yeah. Just took orders from both sides of that range since Monday. Crazy stuff. Micros. Let me look at some key levels that we got. I'm short. Same thing, low risk right now. I'm low risk because the 5 minute close is pretty bullish. This is something I can add on to. We have a lot of space to add. So I want to keep the risk pretty low. I think that's fine. We don't want to close above that. I could actually add to this if this candle closes bearish. All right, I added. I'm actually moving my stop down to that. So if we want to remain bearish, like this has to hold. So that's why my stop's down here. And if it takes my stop out, we're probably like continuing up. Okay, yeah, took my stop. We're probably going up. Didn't work, but I think that trade's fair to, that's a trade that's fair to try, in my opinion. So, oh man, it's still looking weak. My stop is a little too sensitive. I'm gonna kind of see. I'm gonna try to get back in this, to be honest. I'm watching right now. Oops. One minute on the hourly, and that's kind of what I'm waiting for right now. Three seconds. And I want to say that's bearish. 15-minute close bearish. 5. It's not too bad. An hour is pretty bearish, but there's such a big bottom wick on that hourly candle. All right, let's try short. I think I still like shorts here more than anything. I don't have a big target here. 196. I see, kind of around that. Yeah, target's not too big, but if we start to clear past, I might look to get back into the short. But some of the lower time frame candles close pretty bullish, so I'm not like, it's not like an A+ trade, you know? So risk is low, and I'll be trailing this once we start moving. We're gonna close below the base. And it's gonna hit my stop. There it is. I'm break even. I think it's easily yoink on me. Let's actually try to hold this. I think the chance of this running is there. Let me... It was not this low. Let's take it off at this low. Let's see if we can get this runner. I'm not super confident on it. This is kind of my first TP, right, where I wanted to take this off. But it's a free trade. I think the risk to reward of, I mean, there's like no risk right now, so I think just trying to let this run might be the play. Let's see if I can add on to this position to make it even bigger. You wish you started trading when you were 4? Dang. I got more into this. Alright, risk isn't nothing now, but still pretty low risk. Let's see if we can grab it. Oh shoot. What is that? Yoink. All right, let's see if we can get this, guys. Definitely got some buyers showing up. Let's see if we can squeeze them out. Bro, stop saying long every time I'm short. Thanks, JMK, for the next great Yorny. I'm done for today. Good luck, have fun. Nice. Congrats, man. Good stuff. Take the money and run, man. Nothing wrong with it. Bro, who's going long here? Just sell it. Just sell it, bro. Literally, you can rotate accounts and do some work with Jay. Absolutely, man. Sorry guys, I gotta send a message real quick. Ooh, what a yoink. Alright, that stops me out. Okay. I guess we're chugging up, guys. I think this is like super clear we're chugging up. Yeah, if anything, I would want to long this, but I don't want to long it under VWAP. Where's VWAP right now? Let me recalculate it again. Yeah, I don't want to long this under VWAP, but I think the long over VWAP would be very, very confluent, right? You get your breaker structure here too. And you probably see movement up. This will be your next level orb and this high. Yeah, unfortunate. My evals are up a solid $60, but we're up like 200 on the XFA. Yeah, I got a little chopped up here, but no worries. We're still green on the day, and that's what matters. I'm probably gonna switch over to evals today. I want to preserve the money on the account, but I do think we could probably get like one more good move. And I really like the idea of a short here, but market's not giving it to us. Oh, it's golden pocket. Wait, you just have to fib here, or here actually. Dude, ew, what is this? Oh, there we go. Yeah, that was a good retrace. Should have trusted the 5 minute, I guess. 5 minutes looking really nice today. Maybe just trade off the 5. How many points is that already? 80 points? Dang. Huge moves, man. Total disregard for the space here. This key level. All right, can we break VWAP? Can we do it? The magic conch said shorted here, and the target is here. This is target a little bit above. But I don't know if I like that. Yeah, no, I think we're gonna take it, guys. ES is breaking structure on the 5. It's wanting to push up. I wonder if we can get a better entry into this long. How many points would this be? 42. I might start to build out a long position here. I wonder if you can get back down to value. Dang, that's 50 point stop. That's crazy. Yeah, VWAP's holding. VWAP is definitely holding strong here. US just looks like it's like coiling to blast right past it right now. All right, ES add VWAP just touched. I'm gonna try for this long, guys. Stop right below, and my target would be, honestly, the top of the orb, or bottom of the orb. ES is starting to blast through VWAP here. I think we get continuation up. Alright, NQ, it's your turn. It's your turn. Let's go. Nice. Come on, buyers. Let's get more in. Come on, let's pop. Ew, what are these colors? Come on, buyers. Dang, bro, this looks ready to pop. Why won't it go? No. Don't fail. Unlucky. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna clear it. Dang, ES just closed above it on the 5, and now we're closing below it. Unfortunate. No. Yeah, we just cannot get back back above VWAP here. Okay. Feels bad, man. ES has a key level at like 980. We weren't too far from it. I thought it would pop up there. I'm gonna wait for the next 5-minute close. It's also the 15 and 30 second, or 30 minute. But I think that's clear rejection off VWAP. I'm seeing if we can get a bounce here, but I'm probably gonna wanna short this. How's Eigenstart doing? Yeah, it said short up here. I should have listened to it. 5 is closing really, really bearish. I don't think this is gonna hold. That's crazy. That was like Eigensteig's target. Eigenstate. No, come up some more. You said Top Step has discount code? I never said Top Step has a discount code. I said they raised their prices, so it might give them room to do discount codes in the future. Is what I said on the short. Because their prices were already like below other competitors before a discount code. Like I think it used to be like $87 for a no activation 50K. But they just raised it to like 120 or something like that. So now they're more expensive. Bro, Eigenstate says long here. I don't know if I trust it. Dang, I want to short this, but I wanted it to come up a little further. Guess we're respecting this base. I'm gonna try to get into a short here, guys. I might have just entered a long. I did enter a long. All right, I'm out of that. Quick 25 bucks, let's go. All right, I'm gonna short. I'm gonna keep risk pretty low. I don't want this high taken if we're gonna continue down. That does not look short at all anymore. Dang, do we really break structure upside? Holy dude, Eigenstate is like calling all of these. Maybe I just trade off the AI today. Good reaction. This is where I wanted originally short. Let's see. Watching how this next candle closes. No, it didn't pick up my order. All right, let's see if this high is protected. We just tapped into this base. Couldn't close above it. I want to see us come down and retest this one. And if we can't break this low, we'll probably go back up again. But if we can break this low, then we can start to break back out of value and see a lot of bearishness. Like I would want to see a lot of these taken. I'll probably take profit here. Man, I really like this. I don't know, it's gonna yoink on me. Market conditions aren't too great. I might look to get a little bit more in this. What's the eigenstate? It's a quant model. It factors in a lot of different variables. So let me show you guys. Don't look at my trade. This is the eigenstate model. Oh, where did it go? Maybe I have the wrong model on. But yeah, it's nice. It gives you like kind of predictions. So it's predicting the drop right here down to 128. Where's 128? Yeah, down below this. But yeah, I got reached out to by some quants. I met with their like trader team, met with their dev team, and yeah, they just kind of wanted me to try this out, and if it works, you know, they want me to be an affiliate partner. They wanted me to test it out first, so yeah, honestly, so far it's been pretty nice. I really like the prediction model on it. I think this gives you, it's like, I don't use it for signals, but I've been using it as confluence. Like if I'm in a short and it says the eigenstate is liking the short, then it just makes me a little bit more confident in the short. I like the prediction model. Yeah, overall, kind of a nice tool to have. Hey bro, I love your daily life. I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Hit the like and subscribe for me. We're at, how many likes are we at now? Let's see, 33 likes, 103 viewers. We got a long ways to go, guys. If we can get to 150 likes, we will give away some Lucid Flex accounts. No. Eigenstate debated me, man. Feels bad. Yeah, it's a little choppy. I don't know which way the market's going. I still like shorts here. Man, how many points was that? It was like a 40-point yoink. Unfortunate. Focus on longs. I'm not bullish on this market. We're not even above VWAP. We broke structure on higher time frames to the downside. Like I do not want to be buying this market. I'm gonna try to short on this base. Keep my stop above VWAP here. ES is at VWAP again. Oh man, it's like blasting past VWAP now. Bro. Alright, this is like last line of defense here. NQ is pretty much at VWAP. Let me recalculate it. We're really close to VWAP. Looks like this base might be holding. The CEO of Top Step's getting flamed. Take it down to one of these levels. Yeah, I mean, it kind of deserves to be flamed at this point. Alright, 2 minutes on the next 15. I want to see how this next 15-minute candle closes. We're looking bearish. Just passed your first account in Apex. Let's go, dude. Congrats, man. Oh yeah, that's pretty huge. Especially in this chop. You're good. I'm getting destroyed in this chop, so. Nice. Ooh, what a push. $30 seconds left on the 15 and 5. I want to see how these candles close. It's looking pretty nice to bring my stop down right now, so let's give it a few more seconds. That's actually not the close I was hoping for. I don't know if I like this trade anymore. The 15 closed above VWAP on ES. Maybe we gotta wait for the hourly. Is this a VWAP calculated? It's not. Okay, now it's calculated. We'll hold on to it. We'll see what we get. Yeah, definitely not the biggest fan of this trade at the moment. Celebration will buy one Lucid account with code JMK. Awesome. Appreciate that, man. You'll get 2 extra raffles into the giveaway. So with that said, how many likes are we at? 37 likes with 107 viewers. Let's get some more likes, guys. We can give away some free accounts. Got the hourly closing. What is the hourly to close below? 198. Where's 198? Oh, that low is 198. Guys, this is gonna be our key level here. We need the hourly to close below this if we want to stay bearish. Hourly has 10 minutes left, 11 minutes. Let's see if we can get down below this. What does eigenstate say? Eigenstate has not updated, but it says short from the last signal. $135. Let's go. Let's go. Let's dump. Yeah, I almost feel like we're just in a pennant. All right. 10 minutes left in the hour. Algos kick in. Let's see if we can get below 198 on the hourly close. A lot of respect on this pennant. Ooh, okay, I'm dropping this break even, guys. I am not losing money on this. I could care less if I get yoinked out of this. I'd rather not lose any money. Yeah, buyers are trying to protect this, man. This key level here. We need them to lose. Nice. This is good price action. That's looking bearish. ES is looking like bearish distribution right now. Rejection off VWAP. ES is 3 wicks going off of VWAP. Higher time frame not able to close above VWAP. So far, so good. Let's see if honestly, if our stop holds here. I think that's kind of the one thing I'm worried about. Because I think, oh, I'm getting a phone call, but I think price action like this could be possible too. Let's go. Yeah, price action was looking really good there for the drop. Let's go, guys. This is the original trade, something like this. All right, let's see if we can get some continuation here. Market's looking weak. Hourly's closing soon. Hourly's got to close below this. We're really close to it. What about ES? ES has a bit more to go to really be bearish. I wonder if that's the trap. That could be the trap, we'll see. All right, 3 minutes left. Let's go, guys. We're in a banger trade here. Just gotta hope the edge follows through and this just falls over down to, well, honestly, I think we can take a lot. 107. Oh yeah, that's kind of near. We'll see. Let's see what we get. All right, hourly is looking to close pretty bearish here. 7 seconds left. As long as it doesn't yoink above in the next 7 seconds, we are looking bearish. There we go. Now we're getting those moves down. Market likes the bearish move here. We're at the bottom of value on NQ, so we can expect a little resistance here, right? Bulls are gonna wanna protect this. If we break below this, we can easily see that. Let's go, guys. Let's get some likes for the banger. We have 41 likes, 100 viewers. Still need a lot more likes for that giveaway, guys. One point away from my break even, tickling my balls. Let's go, guys. What a hold on the VWAP. Market's pretty clutch for that, to be honest. Alright, we are outside of value here. I actually added to this here, value area low. What is this line at 127? 134. Ooh, don't like that. Okay. 134. Limit by, how am I in? Rumo is long. You're long at 25,208. You're long at 2208? Oh, dude. Oh, dude. I don't know about that long at 208, man. Alright, yes, just broke structure to the downside on the 5. Looks like a retest and possibly lower values. Let's see. NQ also broke structure on the 5, but that base is at 174. It's like up here. So I think this is valid price action as well. We will see. Fortune favors the bold, but not in my case though. No, bulls, leave. All right, that's like the last point of defense that I'm willing to honestly give it. I might move my stop down here pretty soon, but it might wick this and go back down, so I'm kind of waiting. Seven seconds. Bro. Dang, close over this base. That is not good. That is not good at all. Alright, it might take me out. I'll take 40 from this trade, but I want to see how the 5-minute candle closes. We still got 2 minutes left on it. I think I'm willing to risk it taking me out, so. All right, this tree looks terrible now. I'm so sad. Why? Why, bulls? Why? They do this to me. You know what? I thought that would have been a banger too. I even added to that. Unfortunate. still short biased, but market seems a little undecided. That was a lot of buy pressure off of London low there. Could be up for the day. I'm in. Get me back in. I don't even think it's coming back up here. That wasn't VWAP, right? I don't think that was VWAP, no. No. Bro, what the? I gotta get out of this market. I'm gonna lose all my profits today. It's just chopping me out. Alright guys, I might call it. I think I just gotta keep what I got. Otherwise, I'm gonna end up in the red today. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. It's a hard market, man. After the dump, yeah, I should have just stopped after the dump. I think I was too bent on my bias, kind of going for these lower targets. I didn't really trade what was in front of me. I was just trading my bias. I think that was my mistake today. How many likes are we at? If we're almost at 100, we'll do the giveaway. Where are we at? 48. We'll try again tomorrow. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna hop off for the day. Maybe be back on for power hour. We'll see. If something's happened in the market, I'll post the trades on Discord. Yeah, I married my bias today. And I think it's because like this gave me confirmation on my bias, right? I was short today. And I'm still short. I think this is gonna fall over. But we're just getting pretty big retraces, so. But yeah, probably gonna hop off for the day, guys. Good luck trading. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. I'll be on tomorrow.